Here's a number that should stop you mid-scroll. In 2023, roughly 1 million people worked in jobs that required them to actually use AI. 2 years later, that number was about 7 million. 7 times bigger in 24 months. So if you've been telling yourself you'll learn AI someday is getting expensive. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the honest, no-degree-required roadmap to learning AI in 2026. No hype. No, you'll be rich by Friday. Just a real plan you can start today. Let's get into it. Welcome to Future Tech Academy, where we turn confusing tech into skills you can actually use. No jargon, no gatekeeping. If you're a total beginner, you are exactly who this is for. One quick thing before we dive in. If this helps you, subscribe. New episodes 3 times a week. Okay, let's talk about why this matters right now. Let me give you the lay of the land, fast. Today, about 1 in 10 job postings asks for AI skills. That has tripled since 2023. And it's hitting entry-level hardest. As of early 2026, more than a third of entry-level jobs list AI skills. That's nearly triple what it was just 6 months earlier. But here's the part nobody tells you. Over that same stretch, entry-level roles overall shrank, by some estimates around a third, partly because of automation. So sit with that. Fewer easy front doors. But the people who can use AI are the ones walking through the doors that are still open. That's not a reason to panic. It's a reason to get specific, which is what the rest of this episode is about. First, kill one myth. You do not need a computer science degree to start. The single most in-demand AI skill that anyone can pick up isn't deep math or neural networks. It's knowing how to talk to AI, giving it clear instructions to get useful answers. The pros call it prompt engineering. You can call it asking AI properly. It's the most beginner-friendly skill in the whole field, and it's where you start. So forget trying to learn everything. Your goal for the next 90 days is simpler. Become genuinely useful with AI. Here's the 4-step path. Step 1. Learn to talk to AI. Pick one free tool. ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini all have free plans that are genuinely good in 2026. And use it every single day for 2 weeks. Summarize an article. Draft an email. Ask it to explain something you don't understand. You're training the most valuable instinct there is, knowing what AI is good at and where it gets things wrong. Step 2. Learn the data basics. 2 skills show up in almost every AI-related job: Python and SQL. Python is the main language of AI. SQL is how you pull data out of databases. You don't need to master them. You need to be dangerous with the basics. That's a few weeks, not a few years. Step 3. Pick one lane. Don't spread yourself thin. Choose a single direction: data analysis, automation, content creation, or coding, and lean into the tools built for it. If you want to code, tools like Cursor or GitHub Copilot basically pair program with you. If it's data, you've got AI features inside Excel and Power BI. One lane, real depth. Step 4, and this is the one most people skip. Build in public. Make small projects and post them. A dashboard. A little automation. A "here's what I learned this week" video. Because here's the truth in 2026. Employers trust proof more than certificates. A messy project you can explain beats a perfect certificate you can't. Quick recap. Learn to talk to AI. Get the data basics. Pick one lane. Build in public. That's the whole roadmap. It's not complicated, it's just consistent. So here's my challenge for you. Don't wait for someday. Do step 1 today, then tell me in the comments which lane you're choosing. Data, automation, content, or code. I read them, and it helps me make the next episodes for you. Hit subscribe. We do this 3 times a week. And I've got a beginner SQL episode queued up next that pairs perfectly with step 2. I'll see you in that one.